Hello everybody and welcome back to Advanced Maths. Today we're looking at how to convert recurring decimals into fractions. Okay, so let's start with this example. You're going to convert 0.5 recurring into a fraction. So we start by saying that x is 0.5 recurring, which is the same as 0.555 on and on and on. And what we do here is we times it by 10, and we get that 10x is 5.5 recurring. Notice that we have just multiplied by 10. The x has been multiplied by 10, and the 0.5555 has multiplied by 10 by just moving the decimal one place. And it becomes 5.5 recurring. Now what we can do is we can subtract. 10x minus x is 9x. And then over here, we've got 5.5 recurring minus 0.55 recurring. And you should notice that all the 5's cancel out. And we're left with a very simple 5 minus 0 is 5. So 9x equals 5. We divide by 9. And we get x is equal to 5/9. Okay? Now you can check this the old-fashioned way by doing 5 divided by 9. So do, using the bus stop methods, 5 divided by 9, and let's give ourselves some decimals to help. So how many 9's go into 5? Well, 0, because 9 is bigger than 5. So we carry over a 5. How many 9's go into 50? Well, look at a 9 times table over here. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. There are 5 9's in 50. Okay, and so there's a remainder of 50 minus 45, which is 5. How many 9's in 50? 5, remainder 5. How many 9's in 5? 50, remainder 5. And it goes on and on like that. And you should see that indeed it has worked. 5/9 is the same as 0.5 recurring. You can also check this on your calculator by using the fraction button and then the SD button to convert into decimals. So you can type 5/9 into your calculator, and you should see that it does give you 0.55 recurring as the answer. And so you can always check your work just by putting your fraction into the calculator and seeing if it is indeed the decimal you're given at the start. Let's do a harder example now. So this is 0.863 recurring, where the 6 and the 3 recur. The 8 does not recur, so it does look like this, 0.863636363. And the dots above the 6 and the dots above the 3 mean that only the 6 and the 3 occur. Here we times by 100. And the reason we times by 100 is because there are 2 decimal places that recur. If there were 3 decimal places that recur, we would times by 1,000. And if there were 4 decimal places that recur, we would times by 10,000. Okay, so we multiply by 100, and we get x times 100 is 100x. 0.863 times 100 is 86.3. When you times by 100, you just move 2 decimal places. You move the decimal 2 times. Okay, and as we did before, we subtract. So 100x minus x is 99x. Then we're going to subtract the decimals. All the 6's and 3's cancel out. So when the 6's and 3's line up above each other, they can cancel out. And we subtract. 3 minus 8 we can't do, so we borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes a 5, and we take a 1. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. And then we got 8 minus nothing becomes 85. Okay. So it says 99x equals 85.5. Let's get rid of the decimal by timesing by 10. That's the easy way to get rid of the decimals. And we get 990x equals 855. We'll divide by 990 and we get x equals 855 divided by 990. And if you simplify that on your calculator, you can get 19 out of 22. That's a particularly hard fraction to simplify, but normally you can just simplify as you would normally simplify fractions, but sometimes you might want to use your calculator to simplify the answer for you. And that's it. That is how you convert recurring decimals into fractions. If you're ready, you can try these practice questions here. So pause the video and see if you can convert these into fractions in your own time. I think it should take about 10 minutes. Pause the video and good luck. I'll show you the answers when you're ready in 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Let me know how well you did in the comments. Thank you for watching this week's video from Addvance Maths. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. We're covering GCSE, A-Level and IB Maths. Check out what are the videos in the past and stay tuned for videos in the future. Thanks for watching and good luck in your exams.